Good morning, everyone from Southeast Louisiana. I know if you saw my video yesterday, I was pouring sweat, it was humid. Today I have on a rain jacket and a long sleeve shirt. It's a little nippy for me. It's like 61 degrees. I mean, it's a little cool this time of year, but it's still humid. Wanted to talk to you guys about one size boxes for your rabbits don't fit all your rabbits. So let me explain. We have a female doe that we had bred twice. Now, her first litter she had 9, her second litter she had 11. Only 2 survived in the second litter, none in the first one. And I was seriously considering culling this rabbit. She is absolutely humongous. I was laying in bed last night and I really felt like the Holy Spirit was trying to show me something. And so I just kind of got quiet in my mind and I closed my eyes and I envisioned her. And then her nesting box popped in my head and I realized, oh my gosh, she does not fit in a standard nesting box. Like, all of our boxes are made to specific dimensions. Nesting boxes are 7 inches long, 9 inches wide. And I realized that this doe cannot fit in that box without literally trampling to death all the babies she's delivering. Let's step into rabbitry. It's a little dark because it's only like 7 in the morning here and it's overcast, but I want to show you how big she is compared to the rabbits on each side. This is her. I want to show you, look at the size of these feet. All right. She's a sweet rabbit. Look how big she is. All right. I mean, like, she's tremendous. Now, this is another really good breeder. Look at her size. All right. Another really good breeder. Look at her size. Now look at them compared to her. Do you see what I'm talking about? Look at the size difference in those rabbits right there. All right. Okay, here she is beside the nesting box. Look how big she is. Okay. Look at that. She's as long, if not longer, than the entirety of the box. Width-wise, she could barely fit in there. Guys, she could scrunch herself up and fit in this box. She has done it. Here's the problem. Every kit underneath her will be crushed. She is tremendously large. Look at the size of her feet. We're going to have to redesign a box specifically for her and for her kits. So let's talk nest box design. Your nest box should fit the size of your rabbits. That's the best advice I can give you. We use untreated wood, okay, to clean them. It's the only time I use bleach on my farm. I bleach them out, rinse them really well, then we burn them with a propane burner, okay? That just gets rid of any disease, any fur from the nest, from the previous rabbit, because I breed enough that I'm not doing a specific box to a specific rabbit. Like, we're too big for that. If you've only got a couple of rabbits, that's a great idea. Once you get 5, 6, 7, 8 breeding does and you have new moms or you're having a double box, you're gonna have to figure out a way to sanitize those boxes, okay? Because if she smells another rabbit in that box, we have found that she'd rather deliver on the metal than in a box that was used prior that wasn't properly cleaned. Nest box design was causing my doe to be unsuccessful. That's how our nest box design that we have traditionally used now for 3 years was actually causing a doe to stamp her babies to death because of her size. So I hope that you watch this and you realize that you're going to need to be flexible. As you breed and you begin to get a line of good breeders and they start to get bigger, you're going to have to create bigger cages and bigger nesting boxes. Now, we do have a three hole here that's 10 foot long, okay? So that's, each cage is like 3 feet and like 4 inches long. We did that on purpose because I had 2 breeders, my original does, that would deliver anywhere from 11 to 13 kits consistently and keep them all alive. So we realized very quickly they needed larger cages. 2 foot was not near big enough for that many babies. and mom in a nest box, all right? So we created larger cages, and I'm thankful that we did, because we now have a doe that came from the original line that is bigger than her grandmother and her mother, which means my nest box is not gonna work. So you guys have a blessed day. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I hope that this video helps you just kind of think outside the box. No, one size does not fit all.